Oi lads, it's Danny here today, bringing you lot a lovely video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x squared dx. Why is that equal to arctan of x? Before we jump into it, I want you lot to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get into it. So the way I like to solve this is we are going to need to apply a trig substitution. And we have to establish which case we have in this problem. So the way I like to do this, as I mentioned, is we are going to look at the denominator. Denominator is 1 plus x squared. Which case represents 1 plus x squared? Which case is in that format? For me, it's case 2, looking at it straight away. So therefore, once we have established that's a case 2, and it's indeed a case 2, we are then going to proceed in solving for the a term. And we have a squared is equal to 1. Therefore, if you take a square root on both sides, a is going to be equal to 1. We have basically our trig substitution, which is given by x is equal to a tan of theta. So we're going to write that, and we're going to replace the a term. In this case, it's equal to 1. So therefore, you are just going to have x is equal to tan of theta. We're going to apply a derivative on both sides of this equation. You are going to have dx is equal to secant squared of theta d theta. We're going to substitute this dx and x term back inside the integral. And we are going to simplify this. Notice 1 plus tan squared of theta in the denominator could be rewritten as secant squared of theta according to the trig identities. And we can simplify the secant squared of theta because they show up in the numerator and the denominator. And what we have is the integral of 1 d theta, which is just equal to theta. So the question for you lot is, what's theta equal to? And the way we do this is we know that x is we stated that x is equal to tan of theta. So it's basically, we're going to isolate for theta and solve for it. And we're going to establish that theta is actually equal to arctan of x. We are going to substitute arctan of x where the theta is, which is over here. And what we are going to be left with is arctan of x plus c. Don't forget your plus c. And that's basically the answer to this problem. So if you lot enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.